Hello guys and welcome to another unboxing. Here we have Lush Halloween exclusive products and I want to show you some new the new range of it. So, at first we have here the Lush Times. Maybe you'll know it. So, and we started with Monster Ball. Let's see inside how it looks. The Monster Ball is one of my fave bath bombs. It was the last year here and I'm so glad that it arrived this year too. So we have here bad art. I don't know if bad art is a really new bath bomb, but I guess no. But for me it's the first time to have this sparkling glittery beauty. So Lord of Mithril, old but gold. This one is every here, every says, unfortunately it's broken, but still beautiful and it smells so good. So we have another bad art. I've bought two because I'm so curious how the bath art looks like. So Pumpkin. It was the last year here and this year it's here again. You'll notice this yellow places are lighting in the dark. So if you put them in the light and put out the light, it glows. So very frightening. This is for me the first time I have this. I'm really not sure if it's here again or it's the first time. So Ghost in the Dark. We have this one last year too, and here we are again. This little sweet smiling ghost soap is back again. So Bewitched is here again. Bewitched Bubble Bar is one of my fave bubble bars. This year it's violet. Last year it was completely black with this yellow eyes, but this year it's violet. I don't know why, but it smells like last year. So Apple Toffee lip scrub. There is green and I'm not so. We turn around. You can see it's pink. So we have, and I've got the sample, but I don't know which one anymore. So, and last but not least, another Bewitched Bubble Bar. I'm a really big fan of the scent, of the shape. So I love Lush. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want, you can describe my YouTube channel and like. So I wish you a good day and hope you will see us with the next time. Bye guys.